everyone, this is Mr. B, your math analyst, and today we're going to see a concept that is not from trigonometry, it's actually from geometry, but it is essential for us to master it in order to answer daily situations. And that concept is the two parallel lines with a transversal, the angles that are made on them. There are three types of angles, okay? And we're going to see that. The dynamic that we're going to use to show this is I'm going to tell you the name of the angles, which actually is not important. You don't need to memorize it. But I'm going to give you a letter that is going to help you to remember it. Okay? And let's start. The first one is called alternate interior. And the letter that represents it is the letter Z. Okay? So, alternate interiors, we are going to identify with the letter Z. What we need to know about alternate interior angles? The two angles are the same, are equal. Okay? And let's see if this works. Okay. The letter Z, I don't know if you're able to see it, but here we have a letter Z. Okay? And that means that the angles 3 and 6, okay, those two angles are equal. Now, something important is that we can reverse the letter Z. So, in other words, in this type of situations, it could be a letter Z like this, which looks more like a 2, okay, or could be a letter Z like this, that looks like an N, or in the other way, like this. So every time we have a letter Z, no matter how it is shown, those angles are the same. Okay, so this is the first set of angles that we can find in two parallel lines and a transversal line situation. Okay, let's go to the second one. The second one is called opposite by the vertex. So in opposite by the vertex, what is the key? Let me bring it. Let me bring it first. Opposite by the vertex. Here I have it. What is the key? Well, it's a letter X. Okay, and let me erase a little bit here so you can see better. Okay, opposite by the vertex, letter X. Those angles that are joined back to back, they are also equal. For example, in this situation, I'm going to highlight it with red. Angle 3 with angle 2, they are opposite by the vertex. Also, angle 5 and angle 8, they are opposite by the vertex. They are equal, okay? What other angles we have? Well, we have angle 1 and angle 4, angle 6 and angle 7. They are opposite by the vertex. So each of those pairs are equal, okay? That is important. So remember, letter X, they are joined back to back. Okay, the last one, supplementary angles, the letter C, okay? So let me bring it here. I have it. Okay. So something important. Letter C. Letter U. The letter U could be shown as like this, like a C, or the other way, like this, or a letter U but reverse, like this. So any of those situations that we have, the sum of those two angles, I'm talking about these two angles that are here in the corner, the sum of them is 180 degrees, okay? So here, 180 degrees, 180 degrees, 180 degrees, as we can see here, okay? So let's see here in our situation. Let me clear this. So if we see our drawing here, angles 3 and 5 are supplementary angles. That means that when we add them, we get 180 degrees. What are the others? The others are the angle 4 and 6. Okay? They are supplementary because we are able to see the letter C It shouldn't be a perfect one. It could be a little bit skewed. Also works. Okay, so please review these concepts and keep it in mind because we are going to need them in when we're solving daily situations. So see you in the next one. Bye.